Getting married anymore.
Who? Wade.
Yeah, Wade.
Carrie, you'll have to help her. I put strapping tape on there. I didn't mean to, but it's all I had. Yeah, right. These kids' dad used to purposely wrap them like that. They'd be in tears trying to get them to relax over there. He thought it was hysterical. Lots of tape. Good noisy tape.
Wow.
Ain't nobody gonna get in that box.
Office experience.
Jack, are you letting Ellie open her present?
Ellie doesn't open the way.
He was way on top of that. Okay, Ellie. Push on one of the feet on the left side. That's right. Push on the foot.
Oh.
Now, wait. Tickle her under the arms.
Oh.
Tickle her under the arms. Tickle some more and watch what she does. Tickle her.
Like if you keep tickling
Under
her.
her arms.
That's awesome.
You gotta tickle her and watch what she does. She goes hysterical. Score.
Stuart, you want to listeners? Because I'm getting a lot of baby heads.
Yeah.
You gotta tickle under her arms and watch what happens. And keep doing it. Keep doing it. Listen to it. She gets hysterical. And then when you let it go, she starts singing again. Listen.
That's awesome.
I was playing with it in the store. I was playing with it at home. I was thinking, I better cut it out or the batteries are going to be dead. I'll give it to her. I told you you're going to be sorry.
Oh.